What's up, guys? So I just want to make a quick trade review on a trade that we entered in on Monday and got out today. So basically, the trade was in RIOT. Okay, so here's the reasoning kind of behind the trade. So we got in on this day here, and ultimately Mara dropped about, or sorry, Riot dropped about 9% to the downside, and we caught this move and sold all of our position actually near the lows when we flushed below that $9 mark for 115% return. And so that was kind of the trade idea behind this. I did have some September puts, but when we got bought up like this, I decided to just take the gains at 10%, but our June expiration went 115%. So kind of the reasoning behind this trade was first, you could see um, we had a pop, sell off, pop, sell off, pop, sell off. Interesting enough, head and shoulders, double top, sell offs. And this actually ended up being head and shoulders as well. And then from there, what I saw was we were starting to get sell signals on the daily time frame. We also, let me clear some of this off so it's easier to see the drawings. We saw that we were below this psych level of $10. So below there was kind of what I as my risk spot. So above $10, I would have cut the trade. Um, but you could see on the weekly time frame we had a sell signal. On the daily time frame, we had a sell signal, and on the 4 hour we had a sell signal. 2 hour we were getting sell signals. 1 hour we were getting sell signals. 30 minute we were getting sell signals, and so we just continued to hold the trade. We chopped around on Tuesday, but then ultimately we sold off today 9%. We had a 9% down move today. And so we caught a really awesome move on the downside for Riot, and didn't have much drawdown, and it ended up being a great trade. And you can see the volume that poured in. I didn't see any news that came out on this one, but then so we sold the June contracts near the lows, and then I decided to just get rid of the September contracts at about 10% because I was noticing that a lot of the other stocks and miners and Bitcoin were starting to look pretty bullish, and not as much Bitcoin. It does look bullish, but I was noticing that coin, Mara, stocks of those names were looking good, and I noticed that yesterday. And the only reason that I decided to hold was because of how weak Riot was. It got bought up, was up a decent bit, rejected right off the 21 and sold off. Like had this buyers and sold off um, all in the same day. And that kind of indicated to me, okay, we were really bearish, especially when like coin was up like, yeah, 5.5%. Mara was up 4.8%. Even Hut was up what is that? Almost 7%. And so I was like, okay, I'd I'll give this one more day, see how it goes. And I did like the extreme weakness in Riot, and so that gave me the go ahead to hold on to the trade. But now that the others are continuing up, and also this got bought up so aggressively on high volume, I said, okay, I'd rather just keep my gains and move on to the next better looking setup. But this is the trade recap. So 115% on Riot puts. Turned out to be a great trade. I hope this helps. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.